Hello everyone, I am Asma Khan, recent postgraduate in International Relations and Area Studies. I feel immensely proud in thanking and appreciating to be the part of HRM and Analytics at IIT Roorkee. Being the part of HRM and Analytics at IIT Roorkee helped me find out my abilities and knowledge which I never thought would be possible. As a fresher, I was skeptical about my knowledge and abilities. But here, I was pushed towards my limits. The program, the course, and the case studies was robust, thought-provoking, which helped us in learning in the fun way and made it possible to learn more and more. I would like to thank my Professor Rajiv sir and Prabhu sir for pushing us towards the extent limits to make us feel better and a better student.